Oh, hey there. I'm Noah.
I'm super excited to introduce you to Kornit Eco Factory, the smart, sustainable micro-factory for on-demand production, allowing you to automate and monitor the entire production process of one or several orders and to produce locally. Once an order is submitted, it's sent directly to the Eco Factory's streamlined production floor. The operator can access the order through a barcode, a unique ID containing all of the order's information. All hand needs to do is to open the job sheet, adjust the print settings, load the fabric, and press start. The next step is my favorite. Meet the Kornit Presto Max, our single-step solution that gives complete ownership over on-demand direct-to-fabric production. The graphics are ready. Let's print. Wow, it happens so fast. Time for cutting. The printed fabric goes directly to the automatic cutting machine. The cutter cuts the fabric with no manual operation. Now, we just check we have everything we need for each order. The ID also includes sewing instructions. Once the garment is sewn, it's time for a quick quality check to ensure this dress matches my order. That's it. The order is ready, all within minutes. Scan the barcode for shipping information, pack the order, and send it to the customer. From design to delivery, a fully digitized, smart, and sustainable process, all in one place. That's it. We're set.